Are you looking to move to one of the barrier islands of Sarasota and you don't even know what Bird Key is? Or maybe you know what Bird Key is, but don't know anything about Bird Key? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about one of the most exclusive neighborhoods that exist as its own barrier island in Sarasota. Bird Key is halfway between Lido and downtown Sarasota. So as you're crossing the John Ringling Bridge, that first little island you come to is Bird Key. Bird Key is 100% residential. There's no really town center, but you're right in the thick of it all. You can literally take a left at a Bird Key and be at St. Norman Circle in a mile. You take a right and you're in downtown Sarasota in a mile. So it's absolutely wonderful location and is often, because of that geographical location, deemed as the best residential neighborhood in all of Sarasota. Definitely one of the highest targeted spots to be in the area. It's a 250-acre island, like I said, halfway between Sarasota and Lido. There's about 1,000 people that make up this island, including celebrities. There's celebrities that live on Longboat, Lido, every single barrier island that we have in Sarasota. There are celebrities that live on these islands. So obviously they appeal to different people for different reasons. But 1,000 people make it up. There are about 510 homes or so. There's 3 types of those residential properties that you can purchase on Bird Key. They have bayfront, canal front, and then what they call garden homes. Most of the island itself is going to be on some sort of water in some degree, but there are homes that do like back up to green space or other homes with some green space in between, and they call those garden homes. Obviously, the lowest priced homes on Bird Key are going to be those homes that are garden homes. The next level up would be the canal, and then the highest would be those bayfront homes. You can find a bayfront home that's going to be a spectacular, very large estate on the bay, and that could be 10 million plus. And then a garden home might be able to find or snag something for just a hair over $1 million. But again, Bird Key is known for its Bird Key Yacht Club. It's started out of a 1914 mansion that was built here in Sarasota. So it's a really cool building, really cool experience, really cool atmosphere. Just like most private clubs, it's very, very, very social. Memberships include boat slips, tennis courts, fitness centers, classes. There's an Olympic-sized swimming pool. They offer tons of group activities like golf and art and lectures and a bunch of different social events. What's kind of cool about Bird Key is Bird Key Yacht Club is only about 1/3 of the memberships actually have a boat. So there's a big portion of that yacht club that is just primarily social, and there's very good social activities and sports side recreation that are offered in the yacht club that it is appealing in and of itself to be a part of it. So thank you for watching my video on Bird Key. I hope that it provided some good insight to you and what Bird Key is. I absolutely love the geographical location of Bird Key and its centrality to a mile from downtown Sarasota, mile to St. Norman Circle and Lido. You get access to the beach as well as the city, one of the most exclusive and wonderful communities in all of Sarasota has to offer. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, whether it's Bird Key or a different barrier island. I was born and raised here and spend my life living here at the beaches, so would love to be a resource for you. Talk to you soon.